Now, when Arvind Kejriwal first made the announcement that he is going to quit 2 days later, yesterday, a lot of people were struck by disbelief because Aam Aadmi Party chief is not known to always stand by his word. But now, Times Now is learning that almost definitive decision has been taken. Why do we say that? Because in the latest information that we have accessed, Arvind Kejriwal has sought an appointment with the Delhi LG VK Saxena for tomorrow. This is almost in confirmation with the details that you just heard Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj providing. So according to the processes that Times Now has learned so far, Arvind Kejriwal is going to meet Delhi LG tomorrow, and after that there is going to be a meeting of party MLAs to decide who is going to replace Arvind Kejriwal. Tejashree, do we have any more confirmations right now?
Well, yes, what we are getting to know via Aam Aadmi Party sources is this, that Arvind Kejriwal has sought an appointment from Delhi's Lieutenant Governor VK Saxena, and this appointment has been sought by him for tomorrow, and it's expected that Arvind Kejriwal, as announced on Sunday, that he will be tendering his resignation on Tuesday. So what we are expecting is that the reason why Arvind Kejriwal has sought an appointment from Delhi's Lieutenant Governor VK Saxena is just because he want to tender his resignation. So we'll have to see at what point of time this all resignation thing happens, and then when the new chief minister is selected, and then finally sworn in. So this all entire process will take complete 1 week, and we just heard Saurabh Bharadwaj, top ministers in Aam Aadmi Party's cabinet. He just said that he is also in fact not sure so as to who will be the next chief minister, but yes, he surely said that this entire process will take time of 1 week. So all eyes now on the 5 p.m. meeting, the PAC meeting, which is all set to take place. Let me also tell you that one meeting already underway at Kejriwal's residence, where Sisodia and Raghav Chadha, who are present in this particular meeting. Another meeting lined up at 5 p.m. Senior leaders will be participating of the PSC, who are the members of PSC as well. And apart from that, several discussions on the portfolio, reallocation, new cabinet formation, strategy, Haryana elections, Delhi Assembly elections, all these things, the roadmap for Aam Aadmi Party, how the messaging should be done, what's the strategy, all these things will be discussed in this particular meeting, and then some concrete outcomes will be chalked out. But yes, we'll have to wait for a few more days so as to get a confirmation on the speculations that are strongly moving around so as to who will be the new chief minister of the national capital after Arvind Kejriwal.
All right, Tejashree, stay on with me. We also know that there is a lot of speculation around whether or not Arvind Kejriwal is going to decide whether Delhi Assembly is going to be dissolved, or will the party is going to leave the onus to the centre and election commission. They have answered that question on multiple occasions, saying, all right, now we are getting information that finally the timing is out. Tejashree, that Delhi LG has given Arvind Kejriwal the time of 4:30 p.m. tomorrow. Exactly 24 hours from now is when Arvind Kejriwal is going to meet Delhi LG.
Yes, absolutely. We are getting to know is that tomorrow the time that has been given by LG office is 4:30 p.m. and tomorrow this particular meeting will be held. And in fact, that is a time that was sought by Arvind Kejriwal as an appointment. And finally, at 4:30, what we are getting to know via LG office sources is that the time that has been given is 4:30, and at 4:30, Arvind Kejriwal, the chief minister of Delhi, who has announced about his resignation, will be meeting the Delhi LG and will be tendering his resignation at 4:30 p.m. tomorrow. So this is the big breaking news that we are picking up right now. A few minutes back we got to know that Kejriwal had sought time, and now the time has been given by the LG to Kejriwal. That is 4:30 p.m. The time is what we are being told as. So all eyes now on 4:30 p.m. the moment when Arvind Kejriwal tenders his resignation. Remember that certainly this is not for the first time when Aam Aadmi Party will have to witness the resignation of Arvind Kejriwal. Earlier also, while he was chief minister, he had resigned from his post. But that time the scenario was different, and this time the scenario is much more different.
And one of
So
the
that is
points
why
of major
this
difference
all-
could also be that how sources are saying that he caught even his own party members by surprise, which is perhaps one of the reasons why he sought 48 hours time, so that he could meet all the members, the prominent ones at least, to probably acquise them of the reasons behind his decision making, and of course to plan the way ahead. Tejashree, stay on with me.